Welcome to Home of Math, Factorization of Algebraic Expression. This is the 8th part of this chapter. Today we will start from 23. Let's start. Before starting video, I'd like to inform you that 1 to 22 number math you will get link in the description box. Now start. Here is x square minus a root 3x minus 6. If we factorize this 6, so divide 2, we will get 3. Look, here is root 3. So these 3 we can write root 3 and root 3. Root 3 times root 3 means 3. So here is minus root 3x. So we can write like this, 2 root 3x plus root 3. Okay, how? Once we multiply 2 root 3 times root 3, this root 3 will become 3 and this one 2, so times it will become 6. Again 2 root 3 minus and plus root 3x, it will become 1 only root 3x, okay, and minus 6. So we can take common x, so here is x minus 2 root 3 and here is plus, once we common root 3, so it will become x minus 2 root 3. Okay, so we can common x minus 2 root 3, x minus 2 root 3. So our balance thing is x plus root 3. This is our answer. Okay, it's not tough math, but we have to keep practice like this type of root. Number 24. Here is also similar, another root thing. So here is x square minus x square plus 5 root 5 x plus 30. This 30, once we factorize, divide by 2, so here is 15, divide by 3, here is 5. Look, here is root 5. So this 5 we can write root 5 and root 5, right? Now look, here is 5 root 5. So we can write 3 root 5 x plus 2 root 5 x plus 30. Here is 3 root 5 and 2 root 5, it will become 5 root 5, and 3 root 5 times 2 root 5, it will become, look, root 5 and root 5 only 5, 3 and 2, it will become 6. So what? 5 times 6 means 30. Okay, clear? Now we can take common from here. We can take common x, so here is x plus 3 root 5. Then we can take common 2 root 5, so it will become x plus 3 root 5. Now x plus 3 root 5, so x plus 2 root 5. This is our answer. Clear? Now one thing, this number 25, look, 23 and 25 done. 23 and 25 done. These 25 we already solved, but for making sequence of the math we will do it again. So here is 25, so x square plus 2 root 3 x minus 24. Look, 24 we divide by 2, so 12, again 2, so 6, again 2, it will become 3, and here is root 3. So these 3 we can write root 3 and root 3. So 2 root 3. So what can we do? Look, in here we can write x square plus here 2 and 2 4, and we can take 1 root 3 and balance is 2 root 3. So we can write minus 2 root 3. Here is x, also here is x minus 24. Now look, 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3, it will become 2 root 3. 4 times 2 it means 8, and root 3 3, 8 3 times 3 means 24. Okay, so middle term factor has done. Now we can take common x, so here is x plus 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3 common, again we will get x plus 4 root 3, right? How? Look, these 2 and 2 it will become 8, root 3 and root 3 it will become 3, so 8 times 3 means 24. Here is x plus 4 root 3, x plus 4 root 3, x plus 4 root 3, so it will become x minus 2 root 3. This is our answer. So number 25 we did 2 times, no problem, we have to understand the math. So in this video you already complete 23, 24, 25. Let's do some more math. Number 26. Here is 2x square minus 5 divide x plus 1 by 12. So this one, as usual we will do LCM. So here is nothing, so 24x square, 12 divide 6 term, it means 2 times 5 means 10x plus 1. Okay, this one we have no problem. Now look, 24 times 1 it means 24, once we divide by 2 it will become 12, divide by 2 it will become 6. So 6 plus 4 means 10, again 6 times 4 means 24, so we can write 24x square minus what? We can write minus 6x minus 4x plus 1 divide 12. Look, minus 6 minus 4 it means minus 10, and 6 times 4 means 24. So here is, we can take common 6x, so here we will get 4x minus 1, again we can take common 1, so 4x minus 1 divide 12. Now we can take common 4x minus 1, so 6x minus 1 divide 12. Okay, again now we can make a plan how to remove this 12. So in this case here we can take common 6 and we need at least 2, so 6 times 2 means 12. So here we can take common 2, it will become 2x minus 1 by 2, right? Because once we multiply 2 times 2 it means 4, and 2 times 1 by 2 it means only 1. Again here we can take common 6, so here is x minus 1 by 6, right? Then 12, divide 12. Look, 6 times 12 it will become 12, 6 times 2 it will become 12, so here is 2x minus 1 by 2 times x minus 1 by 6, and here is 12, so this 12 out, so our answer is 2x minus 1 by 2 times x minus 1 by 6. So number 26 done. Okay, now we will start number 27. Number 27 also like 26. So here is x square plus 12 divided 35x plus 1 by 35. So this one first LCM 35, so we can write here 35 x square then 12x plus 1. So 35 we can elaborate like 7 times 5 means 35, again 7 plus 12 means 12, 7 plus 5 means 12, so 35, so we can write 35 x square plus 7x plus 5x plus 1, right? Then 35, so here we can take common 7x, so 5x plus 1 common, again 5x plus 1, right? Then 35, so here is 5x plus 1, again 7x plus 1. So our work almost complete. Now in here we can take common 5, so x plus 1 by 5, and here we can take common 7, so x plus 1 by 7, divide 35. So 5 times 7 it means 35, then x plus 1 by 5, then x plus 1 by 7, and divide 35. So 35 out, our answer is x plus 1 by 5 divide x plus 1 by 7. Done. So for this one 27 done. Now 28, let's start. Look, 28, here is 21 x square minus 22x plus 1 by 21. So look, this one it means a and b, this side are similar, so we can write like this 21 we can write root 21, and x square we can write x, so square, minus a minus b whole square theory, we know a square minus 2ab plus b square, so minus 2ab, so minus 2a means root 2 root 1 x times, and here is we need 1 divide root 2 1 plus b means 1 divide root 2 1 whole square. Look, root, once we root 1 square it means 21, root 21 square means 21, so here we did same thing, root 21 x square means 21 x square, so here is this one is 2, this one is a, this one is b, and this one is b, therefore we can write root 21 x minus 1 divided root 21 whole square. Okay, and this is our answer. Okay, thank you very much being with me. Up to this video we did complete number 21, so from 23 to 28 we try to complete. In description you will get 1 to 22 all math. So if you have any confusion, just put on your comments at comments box, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.